Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is reorganizing my closet and getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I don't want to like ramble on because this is kind of like an intro for it. I have filmed some of it already. It's taken me about 2 or 3 weeks to finish it, but I do want to share what I purchased to help make it look cute and organized really quick, and then we'll get into like the actual what it was before and after. So kind of like a before and after. I did do a laundry room makeover video as well. I'll link it below. A lot of you guys like that one, so this is very similar to that video. Okay, let's get started with what I bought for the closet. So I don't have like a really small closet, but I don't think it's really big either. It does not fit all my stuff, unfortunately. But I decided to get rid of a lot of stuff, and that's making room to make it look cute and organized. So let me show you what I got. I went to Ross because I wanted a couple of mirrors and some stuff to organize things. So I did get this little jewelry box from Ross, and I want to display my jewelry because I feel like I don't wear it because I don't see it. So now I'm gonna have it on display and can change it out like really quickly, hopefully. That's the plan. But this was, I think, like $11.99, really inexpensive. I did see one similar at Target for like $20, so I felt like it was a great deal. And then I bought this really long rug. So in the process of organizing my closet, I am kind of redoing my bedroom, but that'll probably be another video. My closet used to have carpet, and you'll see that like in the before video, it had carpet and it was really gross from our dogs. So we put hardwood floors that we have in the rest of the house in the closet as well. So I kind of wanted like a furry rug to step on while like I'm in there trying to pick clothes out. So I bought this one at Ross again, and I love Ross because the prices are so good. This one was only, it says regularly $40, but it was $20, and it's super long. I mean, this is it. It's like longer than I am. So I would say it probably has the measurements on here. It says it's 21 inches by 71 inches. So 21 inches is the width, and then the length is 71 inches, which I think is like 6 feet. I don't know how tall it is. Okay, I'm not gonna do the math, but you get it. It's like just really long carpet. The next item is actually really big as well. Like, it's gonna be hard to put in this frame. I might just take a picture of it and put it here for you guys, but it's this like really long mirror. Why I liked it is because it has like gold kind of like detailing. I'm gonna see if you guys can kind of see it. I'm looking in the viewfinder, but it's like a muted gold color. I wanted it so when I'm in there getting dressed, I can like shut the door and get dressed in there and not have to like keep walking out to the mirror in my bedroom. That's why I wanted it. I don't know. I didn't have one in there, so I thought it made sense. I did purchase a couple of cube organizers. They're from Target, and I just wanted to display some of my shoes and purses. Again, like all my handbags were just like hidden behind stuff, and I never changed out my handbag for months and months. And so this way I'm hoping I can see them and just change them out really quick. And I'll just insert a picture of the box for you because they're like really big. I'm looking at them over here, but I'm gonna just put a picture for you guys. And then I did also get like a little shoe rack. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. The space is really limited on what like I can put in there. So we'll see how it works out. But I got this like shoe rack, and that was from Amazon. And then I wanted a couple of like hooks to hang stuff from. Like I said, maybe my necklaces or scarves or things that like will be easier for me to access when I'm in the closet. So I bought some command hooks, and I thought this one was really cute because it was like kind of crystals, but this is it. And then I also got this one. This one is specifically for necklaces, so I just thought, why not? And it looks like this. And then I bought this basket. So I was thinking I could put like either, I don't know, scarves or maybe even shoes, or I don't know. If I don't use it, I'll probably return it, but I just thought I liked like kind of like it was a little different but cute still. The next item is just a small mirror. I have a spot where this might work. I'm thinking I'm gonna use it. It is just a gold circle mirror, and This is what it looks like. So I don't know if it's in the frame, but yeah, that's it. It was really inexpensive, only $17.99. Okay, the last item that I purchased to make the closet look cute is a canvas-like photo. And I have this one spot in the closet that has, like, for some reason where our internet is, I don't know, it's just random. It's just like an eyesore, honestly, to me. So I wanted something to cover it, and I'm hoping it works. But this picture was only like $20, and I think it's just so cute for the price, and I'm hoping that it just covers it up because it's really ugly, but I love it so much. It's like really cute, just little canvas. It says Chanel, Saint Laurent, Hermes, and Prada, and I love like name brand stuff. I don't really have a bunch of this stuff, but I just thought it was cute. It has some Crystal Louis Vuittons on top. So yeah, this is it. That's everything I purchased for the closet. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, here's the closet. It is terrible, like I mentioned. Literally threw that ladder, solo step ladder in there the other day. So normally I can kind of get in there, but I really just, I actually have another closet too in my office that I use, and I would like to just have one if possible. But I feel like this is a really small closet, so I don't have much room to work with. But for some reason, this situation happens all the time. I want to prevent this from happening. I want to have some sort of organization, or even if I just maybe get rid of stuff and it kind of is better. A lot of this clothes, I will say, I don't wear very often. One, because it doesn't fit me, or two, I don't like it, but for some reason I haven't gotten rid of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna have to take all this stuff out first because the floor is getting redone tomorrow. And then I think I'll work on the hanging clothes next, and then all my shoes. That's the plan. Wish me luck. Okay, I've been really bad about taking video on the process of this, but I did remove everything, and in that process, my husband and my father-in-law put in a hardwood floor, which is the reason why I decided to clean the closet. And I'll show you guys in a second all the piles that I removed, but this is basically what I have left. And I think what I'm gonna do is come in and just get rid of some more stuff. And I haven't gone through this yet or any of that, so I still need to do that. And then I think we'll be good. It's like so much. Okay, here's all the stuff that I'm gonna try to sell at like a consignment store, and it's kind of like a little bit nicer pieces. So there's like some Tory Burch bags, like a couple. And this one is a Kate Spade bag. And then in here is a little bit nicer clothes. So this pile is selling like consignment or Poshmark or something like that. And then this pile over here, which is crazy, is my donation pile. So I will be taking all this and just donating it to like a women's place, or even just Salvation Army, whatever. Haven't decided yet. Or my mom, she likes to take my donations because she works with people that need clothes sometimes, so I'll be giving that away. 1 week later, the goal here is to finish this closet this weekend. So I am planning on going to purchase a couple of things. I don't know where I'll insert that part of the video. This is what we have so far, and I'm already getting messy again, which is super annoying. But I have pulled most of the stuff that I want to keep. I am going to go through again because my goal, if possible, is to not have any clothes from this over. So basically you need to get rid of all this or find a spot for it. Oh, and I haven't organized any of this stuff yet, so I need to do that. And what I want to do, and I'll show you guys when I'm doing it, but I've left this space open here so that way I can actually close the door to the closet, because normally I was not closing the door, and I kind of want to make this like cute area. So I don't want to put anything here. Maybe I'll put like I don't want to put anything here, but maybe a little shoe rack for like cuter shoes, and then back here I might put some shelves in. I'll show you guys when I'm doing it. This is just me babbling my plan, but I'm going to go ahead and pull out more stuff because I need to make more room. Hello, it is time to share my updates on the closet. It took me probably, when I started filming this, to today, about 2 weeks to do everything, but I'm excited to share what I have so far, and I do still want to update a couple of things, but for the sake of this video and wrapping it up, I think I'm pretty good for today. So let me show you everything I've done. And in the beginning of the video you saw the before. It was just terrible and very cluttered. I could barely even enter the closet. It was just so bad. So now today I did share the haul of everything that I purchased, but I kind of wanted to give you a tour of how it came out. So there is that mirror, and I don't have any makeup on, but it's perfect for me to when I'm putting jewelry on or what have you. I can look at myself. And then I have here some perfumes. So what I like to do is actually buy smaller little testers of perfumes, and I can just put perfume on in the morning there. And then here I have another perfume. Here I have a dish that will hold like my most worn jewelry. So on this side I have that jewelry box that I shared with you, and I can't decide if I want to tilt it, like kind of tilt it or leave it like that. I haven't decided, but I organize like watches, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces, not necklaces, sorry, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and watches right here. And then below here are some sunglasses. I do have more sunglasses, but I think they're in my car, so I have to find those. And this is a travel jewelry box that I use when I'm traveling. And then I just have a baseball cap here whenever I don't wash my hair, which is a lot. I also have lint brushes because we have 3 dogs, and hello, I need to lint brush every morning. And then I just put some scarves right here. Here is the cubes that I bought from Target, and now I'm so excited to actually have my bags displayed. So I kind of just have them like so, and then a couple of shoes, and over here I either put my work bag or my slippers there, but I'm wearing my slippers right now. So I really like the way that came out. I do still have all my shoes in these boxes, and there are a few that I probably should have gotten rid of, but I didn't, just because I think like maybe I'll wear them, hopefully. So I left all the shoes up there. I don't love the way it looks, but it works for now. And then I have my like beach bags up here, so whenever I'm going to the beach I can just grab them. I do have these containers to serve as like drawers for clothes, which I really don't like at all. I want to replace them with something like maybe from IKEA or something that makes more sense, but basically it's like all my drawers, and I organized them really good, I think. I would show you, but like somewhere like my panties and bras, but basically it's like workout clothes, pajamas, and stuff like that, all organized. I do, like I said, want to replace these. They're not my favorite, but for now they'll do. And then I did use that basket that I shared in the haul just to organize like sneakers and flip-flops back there. And then I put this in here because I want to be able to sit down while I'm putting my shoes on in here. And here's the rug that I love so much. Like I said, I'm wearing my slippers. I did put my vision board back up, and then I hung this hanger from my wedding. And then I do have the mirror here, which I love. So when I'm getting dressed, I can just look at myself. I can actually close the door completely and just get dressed in here, which I love so much. Also, I did put my necklaces right here, my most worn ones. I don't actually wear, oh my God, that's my dog's. I did put my necklaces right here. I don't have a lot of jewelry, but I do wear these regularly, so I have them displayed. I can just grab them and go. And then I did hang up that canvas that I love so much. I do have this command hook thing that I shared with you in my haul, and I'm thinking of putting another one right here and maybe like hanging a robe or something there. But for now, I just have one of them, and I feel like another one would fit perfectly right there. I have some really cute scarves hanging there, and then my purse hangs there as well. So here's a final look at the closet. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I hope I've inspired you to clean and organize and have a cute closet. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!